Hi, everybody. This is Susan Hagen with your business accountant. So, I am here on the QuickBooks Online to show you something about a question that I get quite often. It is something that is not intuitive in QuickBooks, but I do want to show you how to do that, and that is deposits and how do you actually record those in QuickBooks. So what I'm going to do is show you step by step how to do that the right way. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our chart of accounts. Now what we're going to do is we are going to create an account, and it is going to be an other current liability. Now we're going to call this another current liability, and we're going to call this deposits. Now this is a liability account, and deposits are a liability because many times they're refundable to the client. We don't want to count it as income until that final payment is given. So we want to put that on our balance sheet, and we want to save it up in here as a liability. So we're going to do that. Now you can call that customer liability, client liability. You can call it customer deposit, client deposit, whatever works for you. Now the second thing that we do is we want to create the invoice item. And so we're going to create an invoice item as a service called deposit. And we're going to point this over here at the deposit account. And we're going to give a description of deposit. Now, the last thing you want to do is make sure that you are creating this as non-taxable. Now, the reason why I always advise people to do this is because if you do need to refund this to the client, you're not going to have to actually create refund in here, readjust your sales tax. You're going to be taxing the final payment for the full amount. So we're going to go ahead and save and close this. Now the next step is to actually invoice our client. Now we're going to be invoicing Amy's Bird Sanctuary. And we're going to go ahead in here and create an invoice. The item that we're going to choose is deposit. And that deposit is for $1,000. Now we can add the description in here. She's actually going to get some landscaping done. So we're going to call it landscape deposit. So you can change that in here. I always make sure that this is not taxable, so you can see that's not checked off. Save and send this to the client to get payment, or go ahead and save and close that. We complete everything, and we're going to invoice for the completion of the project. So we're going to go ahead and choose the actual service item or product that we're going to be billing the client for. And in this case, it's installation of landscaping. We're going to say that amount is $2,500. But remember, she's already given us a deposit for $1,000. So we want to go ahead and subtract that out. Now, if this item is taxable, we want to make sure to tax just this amount right here, which is the full amount of the project. And you can see that right here. Uncheck that. If that's not taxable, we can save and send this or save and close it. Easy to do, correct way to do it, and you're not counting it as income until it actually is income. So if you've got questions or you need help or you want help with your bookkeeping, help with anything as far as your business accountant is here. Check us out either on Facebook or our website at yourbusinessaccountant.com or give us a call. Thanks so much and have a great day.